So Igus is a German manufacturer and distributor of technical components, especially high-performing plastics, so-called motion plastics for moving applications, which is these bits and bobs down here for all of the parts. You see how the robot moves around, and you see how it's like a flexible cord that allows all the wires to bend without snapping into anything. The name Igus comes from industry plus Spritgus, which means industrial injection molding, okay, the plastics, flexing its roots in plastic injection molding. What does Igus produce? Igus makes a wide range of plastic-based components, including plastic plane bearings, self-lubricating brush and side bearings, energy chain systems for flexible cables for power, data supply and moving machines, linear guides, lead screw systems, ball bearings, gears, rollers and other motion, components for automation and robotics. So they recently released a series of their own robots, which I've forgotten the name of, but I will list down here below. Founded in October 1964 by Gunther Blass and his wife in a small garage in Cologne, Mulheim. Yeah, that's Igus anyway. So as you can see, this is a stress testing their equipment, where it's pulling the cord around, really seeing how well it flexes and bends. So obviously, if you're in industrial manufacturing and you need to have cords not wrap around themselves or get in the way, then this is the tech to use.